Right, you lovely lot, welcome back to our latest PowerFlex unboxing video. It's a simple but important one today, and that's PowerFlex's range of exhaust mounts. Now it's a funny thing, isn't it? Because exhaust mounts, you think it's under the car. Sometimes if you've got a performance aftermarket exhaust, you'll spend hundreds, if not thousands of pounds on it, and you're relying on what's under the car, three little bits of rubber to hang the whole system off. It's not the best way. Now PowerFlex make these rather lovely exhaust mounts. I'll just talk you through them. First of all, they're 15% stiffer than the standard rubber mount. And I've been to the factory, I've seen how they torture these things. They won't deteriorate, you can pull them, they put them through a massive torture test. They have a universal range which fits pretty much every car you can imagine, and a specific model tailored range as well. Now they're 65A hardness, and they're made of this rather nice red polyurethane, which of course over rubber won't crack, won't deteriorate, won't age. And when you think you've got that hanging under your car with your £1,000 exhaust system hanging off it, it's good value for money. Protects from excess movement, because if you get that on the bottom of the car when you're revving the engine will move, the exhaust will move, it can put strain on joints, strain on welds, strain on manifolds. It's just not worth it. So what you've got here is a very simple component which makes an absolutely massive difference to how your car drives and how your exhaust performs. So to me, a bit of a no-brainer to fit that one. Now I do have to talk about naughty people. On the internet we do know there are people selling these. I'm going to compare these for you now if you look. This is the real PowerFlex one and comes in this rather lovely box. This is the fake. You can see, first of all, the difference in the hardness and the quality. Look, that's like chewing gum, that one. This is not 65A hardness. This is going to go soft, it's going to get damaged with heat. It's not going to do the job of these. The price isn't all that different anyway, so look out for the proper red job in the proper PowerFlex box and make sure you get the right thing. Go to the website, find your local dealer, look for the correct packaging, buy the real thing. Always worth the money in the long run. So if you want to find out more about PowerFlex products, hit them up at powerflex.co.uk or find them on social media, and I'll see you next time.